Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and it doesn't really matter actually if it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and this is actually our blacklist, which is right now obviously empty. Above it, I mean at the very top of those options, we've got the unknown option, so you can activate it just by tapping on this switcher and turn it off the same way. And it means that if it will be activated, then your device will block calls from unidentified callers. But if you'd like to add a number which you currently know, just tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can enter the number you want to block, so simply type it and tap on block, and it immediately appears on our blacklist. So it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. And of course you can unblock it, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, so it means that you will receive calls and messages. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.